What's going on, guys? So I am out here at the Hershey RV show in Hershey, Pennsylvania, and we're going to take a look at this really familiar looking fifth wheel from a brand that doesn't make the one you're probably thinking it is, if that makes sense. So this is an east to west Blackthorn. Now the look of it, again, is going to be very similar to another brand that you've probably seen on my channel before and actually toured a factory of, but we're going to see if that's the only thing that's similar. So we're going to take a look at the inside first and hop around to the outside and see what it's all about. Hang tight, I'll be right back. So first off, I have to give a big shout out to my friends over at RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding for sponsoring these videos. All their beds have a 10-year warranty and come with free shipping to anywhere in the US. We love our RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding. Use promo code BigTruckBigRV to receive a 25% discount. Link in the description. Thanks again. Okay, we're going to start by taking a look at the numbers on this unit. This is going to have a gross vehicle weight rating of 16,645 pounds, a cargo capacity of 4,297 pounds. So this has a really super large cargo capacity and a dry weight of 12,289 pounds. Overall length is 40 feet long. Rides on 16-inch E-rated tires, 7,000 pound axles. Okay, so we're going to go up the step above steps into this east to west Blackthorn 3700 BH-OK. Asdell construction. All right. Stepping inside. First of all, you have your manual controls here, not touchscreen, which is nice. I actually like the fact that you come in and they're right in front of you, easy to access. Let's take a look at this floor plan real quick. So, right off the bat, even though the exterior looks very similar to a Brinkley, I'm going to say the interior doesn't. It's different style overall. Things are definitely a lot different. It has a solid surface countertop, which I like. Nice upgraded faucet right here. Coming around this way. Has all pretty basic standard cabinetry, so you're not seeing the higher end stuff that you're seeing in some of those. You have plenty of prep space around the 3-burner gas cooktop with oven below it. All the drawers, fully extending drawers, not soft closing. Then over here, you're going to have a residential microwave. It's not a convection, it's a standard microwave. More storage. Then coming around this way, you have a nice little pull-out trash can, some drawers here, storage right there, more storage. And then over here, I'm assuming is your pantry. Has this huge French door style pantry. A lot of storage space. I love the fact that they make the shelves adjustable. So you got plenty of options to be able to adjust for different sizes of things like cereal boxes, stuff like that. Magnetic holds to close it. You have some additional storage up top here as well. Very nice. Okay, let me swing back around. You can see the Furrion side-by-side refrigerator. Very nice. It uses kind of a button system to hold it shut. You have a nice flip-up countertop right here. Extends the island. I usually prefer the island or the sink to be offset so you have more prep space, but this is pretty good. You still have a good amount of space on each side, which is nice. On this side you have your booth style dinette on this side, and then you have chairs on this side. And this does extend, so you have the ability to make this come out further if you want. This is an ottoman that can be moved around, so there's storage inside of here, so you can put comforters, things like that, and you can put it in front of the chairs if you want. I really wouldn't know why you'd need to, since these are theater seats and they will flip up. Then you have your large Jensen TV there. Some more storage here. Got storage all around here. Panoramic fireplace. This flips up so you can access your controls for your sound system. Speakers on each side. Coming to the back. So this has a huge loft with an AC directly in it, and because this whole back area has access to that AC, it should stay pretty cool. So back here you're gonna have a half bath, which is really nice. Good size countertop space here, porcelain toilet, and then check this out. So this is going to turn into a bed, so you technically have a second bedroom back here. Your TV backer's right here. It's kind of an interesting spot. I mean, you could put it on an articulating arm and it would give it more visibility, but this is it's an interesting floor plan. Well, that's a lot more storage than I thought. What do you guys think so far? again, you can open that up, turn it into a bed, and it probably takes up most of this space. It's cool to have the half bath and the bunkhouse in here for sure. All right, coming this way. Up the stairs. So you have an Encore one-piece drop-in shower, which is nice. You have your sink plus some storage area on the side here, and then you have a medicine cabinet, more storage beneath, a spot for toilet paper rolls and the toilet paper roll you're using, porcelain foot flush toilet, spot for towels and toiletries. This does have a on-demand hot water system. Coming into the bedroom area, king size bed on strut arms, a lot of storage space inside of there. Definitely would upgrade the mattress. It feels very, very lightweight. Up top you have your Coleman Mach air conditioning system. You have 2 AC units in here. And then over here you're going to have sliding doors for your closet space. There's a lot of closet space in here. So far I have not seen a spot for a washer dryer, but maybe I'm missing it, so I'll keep looking. More drawers right here. Spot for your TV, cable hookups, everything up there. This unit has 2 air conditioning units in it, and there's not a prep for a third. So the AC in the bedroom would funnel out here, and the ducted AC in the back area would also funnel out here. So far, I'm not seeing a spot for a washer and dryer. Not that, you know, a lot of people actually put one in, but if you did want to, again, I don't see any spot for one. So unless I'm just missing it completely, I don't think you have a spot for a washer and dryer in here. Anyways, guys, let's hop outside of this unit and see what the outside is all about. Okay, we're gonna start up front, work our way back. This ride's on a Rhino frame. It's got the Rhino box up front. I'd open that up, but it's blocked. Spot for a 30-pound propane can on each side. It has nice thick baggage doors. Nice pass-through storage here as well. Does not ride on a drop frame, which is the reason why this part of the frame section protrudes up. You have a little bit smaller storage. If it had a drop frame, this would drop down much lower. Nice magnetic hold to hold it up as well. Again, more ride step above steps. It does have the ground control electronic 6-way auto leveling system. This rides on a 10-inch I-beam frame, and it has a boxed section underneath it for the suspension, which are Goodyear Endurance tires. And the suspension itself, Cree 3000 suspension with the standard shackle hangers, not greasable wet bolts, and it does have the reinforced shackle holders as well, which is nice. I would definitely upgrade the shackle or the shackle straps themselves after a few thousand miles. Here's your outside kitchen, gray stone griddle right here. It is really, really high, so you're looking at least 4 feet off the ground, maybe around 4 feet off the ground to be able to access it. No sink. It's got a compact refrigerator in here. Has a nice TV that's mounted out here, so that's nice. I don't see a spray port or anything. That would have been nice. Your LP connections down here for the griddle. Overall, it's nice, but it is lacking an outside sink. Nice LED tail lights. Up top, wired for a Furrion wireless backup camera. Has a spray port back here. Walk-on roof, no bumper. Let's see. Your sewer connections. There's the other side of your suspension. There's a closer look at it. What do you guys think of this unit? On-demand water heater, furnace over here. From the outside, it looks very similar to a Brinkley, but it is definitely not a Brinkley, just being honest with you. Not that that's a super bad thing, but Brinkley has done a lot of things that are different that this unit just doesn't have. Has an LED light strip up there to illuminate this area, Nautilus water panel, which is nice. There's your power disconnect. This is going to be your other 30-pound propane can, which is not locked because you can't lock it. There we go. Then you have your electronic leveling control right there. Anyways, guys, what do you think of this unit? Leave a comment below. It is not a Brinkley. It looks similar to it from the outside from a graphics perspective, but what they're doing to it as far as how it's set up, the componentry, the fit and finish, It's just not. It's not at that level, but I'm sure it's a lot less expensive, which is going to be a reason why somebody might want to look at this as well. Plus, it has a very unique floor plan that Brinkley doesn't even offer. Overall, though, it's pretty cool, right? It does not have a spot for washer dryer prep, even though, again, even though everyone wants that, I don't think a lot of people actually use it when they have it. Plus, if you want to save some money and you want to get something that looks really fancy, this might be the one for you. Anyways, guys, leave a comment below. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on this unit. Guys, if you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.